Hi guys, my name is Roberto Billy Mama Jr. In this vlog, we tackle about Philippine criminal justice system. But first, we also know what is criminal justice system.
The criminal justice system, it is a set of legal and social institutions for enforcing the criminal law in accordance with the defined set of procedural rules and limitations. Criminal justice system is a series of government agencies and institutions. Goals include the rehabilitation of offenders, preventing other crimes, and the moral support for the victim. The primary institution of criminal justice system are the police, prosecution, and the defense lawyer, and the court and prisons.
The primary goal of criminal justice system are to protect the member of society and to maintain peace and order.
And guys, let's discuss the 5 pillars of criminal justice system. The first pillar is law enforcement, or our police force. Law enforcement consists of the officer and men of the Philippine National Police, the National Bureau of Investigation, and the other agencies. When they learn of the commission of crimes or discover them, their duty is to investigate the crime, which may take form of surveillance and observation of suspect. Arrest suspect by virtue of a warrant arrest issued by the judge based on the evidence submitted them or under circumstances justifying a warrantless arrest.
And now, the second pillar is prosecution.
Prosecution pillar. It is a 3 main task: to investigate crime, to decide whether or not to instigate legal proceeding, and to appear in the court. The prosecutor investigates crime together with the police. The task of the prosecutor is to prove that the suspect has committed the crime.
The third pillar is court or Supreme Court.
Court pillar, a body to which the public administration of the justice delegated, being a tribunal officially assembled under authority of law, and the appropriate time and place for administration of justice through which the state enforces its sovereign rights and power. It is duty of the court to settle actual controversies involving rights which are legally demandable and enforceable, and to determine whether or not there has been grave abuse of discretion amount to lack or excess jurisdiction on the part of any branch or instrumentality of the government. It is an antidote to the safety net against unusual, despotic, and oppressive exercise of governmental power. The general function of the court in relation of criminal justice system are to protect the right of accused, to determine by the legal means whether a person is guilty of a crime, to protect society, to prevent and reduce criminal behavior, to dispose properly of those convicted of the crime.
And the person proven to be guilty beyond the reasonable doubt, he or she must place in the confinement such as the correction.
The correction system are entrusted to take care of the treatment and rehabilitation program for all convicted criminals and delinquents for eventual reintegration in the free community. General function of correction pillars: to maintain institutions, to protect abiding member of society, to reform reminders, to deter crimes.
After the convict have passed through correction component, either unconditionally as by full service of the term of imprisonment imposed on him, by parole or pardon, they go back into the community. Either lead a normal lives by abiding citizens in their barangays with another crime, and thus go back to the same process and stages of the criminal justice system. Thank you for watching my video about Philippine criminal justice system. Stay safe.